what sells and what doesn't. I'll go over what doesn't sell. Any vintage wood furniture, no. It's a very hard sell. People have these break fronts. They think they're going to get hundreds and thousands of dollars. No, firewood. It cannot sell. You have to, I know, I'm sorry, but you have to be able to sell that for the lowest price. If you are willing to go low, you can make $5,000 in a week. I guarantee you with all your furniture. Go low and sell quick. That is how to make the most money. Unfortunately, the break fronts don't sell. Unfortunately, the benches don't sell. Unfortunately, the wooden chairs don't sell unless it's mid-century modern, Baker furniture, something high-end. Someone gave away an Ethan Allen wall unit. Gave it away. It was nice enough. It was veneer, but they gave it away because you have to spend $250 to move this thing. Don't forget that when you're selling something, someone has to move it. You're not moving it, but someone has to. Okay, damaged items. Damaged items don't sell. So if you're selling a clock, make sure the clock has batteries. If you're selling a watch, make sure the watch has batteries. If you're selling anything, it must not be damaged. Fix it. This woman said, oh, this clock is not working. It just needs batteries. Well, you put it in. I'm not putting it in, and I'm not buying anything that's broken. Okay, there's an exception to the rule, and I'll let you know in a couple minutes. Anything priced too high. It's what the buyer's willing to pay for something. So if it's not what you bought it for, it's a fourth of that. So on a new item. You know when you buy a car, the minute it goes out of the showroom, it's worth less. You have to be reasonably priced, just like anybody's pricing their houses. You know, when you price a house reasonable, you could have a bidding war. I have sold many cars on the page on Chappaqua Mom Sales. My record of selling a car is 2 days. And I was able to price it competitively, but not too cheap. The car had a Carfax on it, so the buyer was able to read all the history of the car. It had not been in any accidents. I make the person detail the car beforehand, and I take pictures outside. I don't take pictures in a garage. I make sure I go to Leonard Park or something, take beautiful pictures of the car and edit my pictures. We had 10 people for this BMW. So it's the way you present. You know, when you look at a window at Saks Fifth Avenue, it's beautifully presented. If you go into the Goodwill, they may have the same merchandise, but it's not presented in the same way. It's very important presentation. Designer handbags, jewelry, gold, silver, pool tables, air hockey tables, reasonably priced, bundles, and I just talked about that with the shirts. One of the best items that was sold on Chappaqua Mom Sales, and Robin, I think you remember this, if you've ever been on Wood Fire Grill, they had those big heaters outside, you know, you turn them on and they have a fire there. Those, I think you can buy them for $1,000 a piece, and you can rent them for about $300-400. Someone had a husband whose restaurant went out of business. They were going for $75 a piece for 3 of them. One woman got all of them. There was a line of 50 people. I mean, and then Hamilton tickets. I mean, there was a line for so many people, $350 for Hamilton tickets, 5th row center. I want you to not be the uneducated seller. I want you to be the educated seller. I don't want you to sell things for a song. So you're going to learn in this lecture. I'm going to show you how to do it. Want to see more? Then reach out to me.